Hello, Andrew here today, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to install the Filteroo 8-inch rain and city water carbon block water filter cartridge. Now, inside the cartridge box you will find a hard copy of all the step-by-step instructions on how to do this, so just check that out if you need any more information. If you've also chosen to get fluoride removal cartridges, I'll also show you how to install and flush these cartridges as well, so your system is ready for use. Lastly, I will show you how to install the mineral pad, and then you're good to go. Before you install the carbon cartridge, you'll need to prime them. Priming your cartridges is a very simple and quick process, but it is a must, because if you don't prime your cartridges, it will take a lot longer for water to flow through them. It is really like soaking the cartridge all the way through, so that when you install and flush it, you will get the best flow rate from the beginning. To prime your carbon and fluoride cartridges, check out the videos in our Learning Center. Now the first step is to install the carbon cartridge. When handling the cartridges, we always recommend you use a glove or the bag the cartridge came in to avoid touching the carbon part of the cartridge with your hands. Remove the locking nut from the cartridge threaded stem, leaving one sealing washer over the end of the cartridge stem. The next step is to insert the cartridge stem through the hole in the top tank from the inside out. Then secure the cartridge by screwing the locking nut onto the stem on the underside of the top tank until tight, but do not over tighten. Ensure that the tap is in the off position. Place the top tank on top of the bottom tank and fill the top tank with cold water and allow the water to filter through to the bottom tank. It is recommended to drain the first tank of filtered water to waste or the garden, as it may contain carbon fines. We recommend you flush 12 litres of water through the cartridges. And now that you've installed and flushed the carbon cartridges, if you're not going to install the fluoride removal cartridges, we're going to install the mineral pad. Rinse the mineral pad for 5 to 10 seconds under a flowing tap, and then place the mineral pad onto the base of the bottom tank of your Filteroo. Put the top tank inside the bottom tank and refill, and you're good to go. If you are installing the Filteroo Max fluoride removal cartridges, here are the steps to install them. Once you have pre-flushed the fluoride removal cartridges as per the instructions, remove the top tank of your Filteroo and place it on its side on a tea towel on the bench. Only one end of the fluoride cartridge has a thread. The cartridge must be installed onto that threaded end. Use the bag the cartridge came in, or a glove, to hold the carbon cartridge you will be installing the fluoride cartridge onto, and screw the cartridge gently, ensuring you do not cross-thread the cartridge. Tighten until firm, but do not over-tighten. Do this for all the fluoride cartridges you are installing. Once all the fluoride cartridges are installed, sit the top tank back onto the bottom tank and flush another tank full of water through both cartridges. Now that you've installed both the carbon and the fluoride cartridges, the next step is to install the mineral pad. Quickly rinse the mineral pad under flowing tap water for 5 to 10 seconds and place the mineral pad into the base of the bottom tank. The final step is to put the top tank on top of the bottom tank and fill it up with water, and your first glass of great tasting Filteroo water will be ready in no time. It is a very simple process, and we're always here for you if you have any questions or need any help. Thank you and have a great day.